number one. Spin me around like apple number two. You will kill a brother, why don't you see? Okay, there's a baby, please. Honey, you are side up with her. Now I love you, machinga fika. I need some love, my dear. Baby, dance to the bambambilla. Jagara bimpe, body's fire, your body's fire. Give me one more time, give me one more time. Jagara bimpe, your body's fire, your body's fire. Give me one more time, give me one more time. Every nigga wanna touch your body, wagala kusasanya the money on your body. Wine up pretty easy, my appetizer chili chili. My lady, a real man in an African sauce. Wine for me, yeah. Daddy best one, baby give me one dance, dance for me, yeah. Fly, you and I, looking at me right, only Momusai. Your body's fire, your body's fire. Give me one more time, give me one more time. Your body's fire, your body's fire. Give me one more time.
COVID, right?
Yeah, man.
Ako kanzi dem bambi, kanzi dem.
Nizo COVID wale kuja. No,
ndi mukazi, woman has a request. Ndio, mwakulira abatali.
Muyimbire. Watu ne wabatwala.
Arwa, iwa.
Aimbe patch yogambe patch.
Your body's fire.
Muyimbira.
Your body's fire, your body's fire, baby, give me one more time, give me one more time.
Chegama nti COVID talent amanya abana bavuddeyo bangi ate ngamanyi okuyimba honestly.
Mbadde njagala abantu bawulire ku ddoboozi huweda
amazodiogera
that's the reason why Mugambe
ayagala kuyimba nakuyimbira special
yawe kiri
tukole tutya
amanyi ina nyimba meka
mbadde nyina enyimba nyingi naye lwakuba video eyesooka
oyimba bulungi
webalosimba eyo wakawo noyimbira mu bitabo byo
by the way mwana wa Sedon
Bwambale
ate is an artist akuba art
mukubi wa bifaananyi yakubidde ekifaananyi
yankubidde ekifaananyi masaga nubese ekifaananyi kyange kino
ekyange kiri mukolero
ekikyo kijja
kiri mukolero kati kirofa
omaze ebbanga kibina ebintu
mukuba ebifaananyi giri myaka 3
kati nga ggwawo Don ng'ogeza president unza musaba kingada ngotuuse nomuga nti president ngakuyise kana bweza yavubuka na nojja nagamba nkuyambe ntya
nze ng'omuntu kuba njagala nnyo okulaba art visual art yene yekuba ebifaananyi waliyo ne performing yene yaffe y'okuyimba kati nze ng'omuntu bangenda musaba ezo industries at least as we support as we ne gundi ne ministry music waffe ne art okubeera waggulu
nze no bongo badde mugaso okuba ekifaananyi
ulida
so okusiga ebifaananyi obitandika n'emyaka emeka
career atandika nga nkyali muto nali nyina talent is biri yanga ndi muyimbi
yakuwayiriza n'okuwayiriza
kiri watoto wadde nnyo yakusaza emyaka 10 muyamba ekifaananyi kyange Sanga mwe yasize mwe namwe mwali wade mwoga nange gyasize nze
naye nga buluma
abantu abagala basiga kiri
yeah chiri fine just you have to take my contact then yeah a number is 776601 384 0776601 yeah name music I'm taking us serious actually this is our first project management yange yeyo yeah we bado sima
nze bwonsango nsigo
tosobola banane tuleke
atachogena mu yamba katiggo
omuntu akulira n'abakomasoboka
we bali nnyo
oyimba bulungi ane sikanti okonsize naye ebyadda oyimba buki
bulungi
ebambi oyimba bulungi
no kusina kusekera wansize baba yakusaze emyaka
they making a show
mukujada nga nyinze nze kana wakutegedde
ale ko kakati kwa mkono
Adon Wambale representing Kasese, Uganda. Yeah.
Kasese, Uganda.
Yeah, man.
You're from Kasese?
Yeah, from Kasese.
Oh, wow. Doni abasaba buwagizibwa mwe banange ye project yeso so limba mululabye akalowozi ko mukawulide banange sagala country ndoza na sasi akanyarwanda oliyeyo mama omuvuka na sasi we yagaliza ajaliye yagala na kwachi ayagala na tukubira kasimu at least ebigambo bye bisema eri bafans bo
yo kati nsaba mumpagire nnyo mu buli kimu mu music wange ne art ate kisembayo ntumide ku manager wange Penny Abrina amomo bona bachali bange Bachmada Rabon Ujambo Arts ne mami wange yena jali Ariminesiyo yeah
bambi okuzala
ajukira mama we that's chikuru nyo
mwera bidaba mama bamwe ne mujukira bachala bamwe njagala kubanga mwera mwera bidaba banyamwe ne mujukira bachala tango rose ana we njagala kubanga ngenda kati enoka tusowa mubuza mama ina mukugamba kugamba mukazi ano zale byo 10 manaya ndoza kati sibuliano mkono kange manne chimula wali mu control room ati ngaja basikomera wali ati nange chimula nze muita chimula
one back up man two knock on the door one John Wambale two
at this legend production
jagara bimpe body's fire in your body's fire oh bimpe give me one more time jagara bimpe body's fire in your body's fire oh bimpe give me one more time give me one more time ochawagana nebitanyuma obyonona yeah not easy omekana nabikaluba baby kwa konsa you bust me up and down number one spin me around like a on number two you will kill a brother why don't you see okay that's a baby please honey you are side up with her nabalala bachimanyi machinga figure I need some love my dear baby dust to the pambambila jagara bimpe body's fire in your body's fire